Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I love a good storage solution and I'm a big fan of packing cubes. And I've just ordered myself a hanging wardrobe which has got open shelves on it that I can put my packing cubes into. Now for the life of me I couldn't work out how to put this thing together when I first opened it. So if you watched the end of the video you'll see the absolute nightmare that I had trying to figure it out. And you can see that I did actually finally work out how to use this and how to make it all stand up straight. I've just popped it in the car now and you can see that it fits nicely and leaves a space around the diesel heater vent. So I've just popped a couple of pairs of shoes in and a couple of the bags to see what I can fit in there. And you can see the hooks from the top just go over the slat above it. Just to show you what I put in them, this one has got my fleece gilet and 2 waterproof raincoats in it. And this one has got my pegs and my washing line. Both of these bags go in the overhead storage in the cab. This packing cube I keep easy to reach. It's one that you can grab and take with you if you're on the campsite. You can take it to the showers and it just holds a couple of towels. You can take one out and put your shampoos and everything in if you need to. In the back of the caddy there's a little space above the wheel arch. It's got a flat bit and this is my bedside cabinet, but in here I keep a small packing cube, and in this one I've got things like my instructions for my diesel heater, my fridge, anything electrical. There's a sewing kit, a little mirror. So keep a little pack of tiny screwdrivers, like for fixing glasses or anything. And then I've got fuses for the car, and also fuses for my leisure battery setup in case anything blows. I've also got this one under here, which holds all my electrical cables and spare chargers. And I've got one in the back of the car that holds all the spare tent pegs. So I've actually got 2 different sets of packing cubes. One's called Monobin and the other one's called Bagale. They both come off Amazon. They come in lots of different sizes. The bigger ones have got these little straps in as well, so you can strap your clothes into them. And then they usually come with like a makeup case, and this one's got a shoe holder as well. This little cool bag rucksack actually came from Lidl. It's handy for putting loads of stuff in, but it's also handy if you're going on a picnic or a walk. You can take your drinks and everything. I keep it by the door strapped to the headrest, and then I keep my lights for going around the awning. And this second one, it pulls out to about 9 meters. It's like LED lights on a string, and it's got a little magnet on the back as well so that you can stick it to the car. And I usually put it around the awning at night to give us a bit of light outside.